fall mowing today, and I'm moving my hay wagons out of the way for my dad so he can go over here and mow. And I just got this little three-point attachment for this tractor. It's just a little category 1, but it makes moving trailers pretty easy instead of getting in a truck and backing up and undoing your hitch and whatnot. This thing's pretty slick, but I just freaking chow, son. Up and we're out, and then we can move that thing too. So that brand LANDTOP, they had sent me that little category 1, like I said, but it also came with a hay spear, and it came with, but then they sent me an 1 7/8 ball for the 5th wheel, and then, I mean, this is our receiver I put in there, but pretty sick, dude. Now, I don't know if it'll pick up bale hay, but I'm gonna do it. All right, bud, we got it rigged up, and I don't have any front weights on here, so just bear with me. We might pop a wheelie.